In this third lesson, we'll make layers and masks feel like tools you actually enjoy using, not chores you tolerate. Follow along, and by the end, you'll understand how to edit without fear, keep your files tidy, and change anything later pain-free. Imagine finishing a design and still being able to change its colors, shapes, or lighting hours or days later without losing what you started with. That is the point of a non-destructive workflow. Instead of edits that get baked into an image, Affinity treats every change as a separate instruction you can adjust later. Let's add a few images of my channel avatar to practice. Start with the Layers panel on the right. Think of it as a stack of clear sheets. Whatever sits at the top appears in front. Click and drag layers to reorder them, or press Command or Control plus G to group related items. Grouping keeps complex projects clean and easy to navigate. To ungroup, select the group layer and press Ctrl-Shift-G. To hide any element, just click the eye icon of that element's layer. Let's hide these two images for now. Clipping masks are one of those small tricks that feel like magic. If you want an image to take the shape of a circle or fall inside a piece of text, there is no cutting required. Let's add a circle shape by pressing the U key or selecting it from the sub-toolbar of the Rectangle tool. Click and drag while holding Shift to draw a circle. Press V for Move tool. Select Rise Eyes and move the circle. Now drag the image layer onto the ellipse layer, and the image lives inside that circle. You can still move the image around or resize the circle on its own. Think of it as a changeable picture frame that never locks itself shut. Now let's see how masking in Affinity works. Masking lets you hide parts of a layer without deleting them. Let's hide this ellipse layer for now, and unhide the second image. Select the Object Selection tool from the toolbar. This will segment and select the object using artificial intelligence. You might need to enable it by going to the Edit menu, then Settings. Go to the Machine Learning tab and enable segmentation. Till now it's free. Close it. While the Object Selection tool is selected, select the object, in my case, my channel avatar. See how precisely it selects. In the right side layer panel, select the mask layer from the bottom menu. Let's deselect the selection by pressing Ctrl-D. As you see, it shows only my avatar, hiding the rest of the image without affecting the original image. Means if I hide this mask, it will show the original image. How cool, isn't it? Next, adjustment layers. Adjustments are live layers that sit above your content and change everything beneath them without altering the original pixels. Let's hide this image and unhide the last image. Click the adjustments icon and choose an option like ASLM and drag it to the image layer. That creates a new layer you can toggle on or off, or double-click later to. Let's adjust the saturation and color to make it cinematic. Like the mask layer, it is also non-destructive, meaning if I want the original back, all I have to do is hide it. In the next lesson, we'll dive into the Vector Studio to master illustration and explore the new image trace feature, which makes turning sketches into editable vectors much faster. I'll see you in Lesson 4. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the coming videos? Take care and bye.